There is something really magical about desserts. They are not just the sweet treats, they hold memories of birthdays, celebrations, family gatherings, and so much more. And as an artist, I love capturing those feelings through food illustration. I've always had a soft spot for food illustrations. There's something so satisfying about capturing the textures, colors, and the delicious details of our favorite treats. Hi, my name is Disha. I'm an artist, an illustrator, and an educator who loves to paint food and botanicals in watercolors, whether it is traditional or digital. In this class, we are going to paint together a delicious cupcake using watercolor brushes in Procreate. Whether you are new to digital watercolor or looking to add a sweet new project to your portfolio, this class is perfect for you. We'll explore everything from the watercolor base to getting those delicious and realistic details in our project. I'll walk you through my step-by-step process from blocking in shapes to adding those mouth-watering details like creamy frosting and sprinkles. I'll also share the essential tools and the free resources that you will need to complete your project. In the Resources tab, you will find the watercolor brushes, a pre-made canvas, a reference image, and a color palette to start with. By the end of the class, you will have a delicious, realistic cupcake illustration ready and the skills to paint more and more watercolor realistic desserts in Procreate. So what are we waiting for? Let's grab your iPads, your Apple Pencil, and let's get started. See you in the class.